Good morning, good morning. It is Monday, y'all. Monday the December 15th. Y'all, these days are going by so fast. So fast. The year is almost over. The year is almost over. Isn't that something? 2025. Man, that's crazy. I'll turn that down. 2025, y'all. 2025. Woo. I know for Christmas I gotta get my stuff this week. Me and the girls gonna go to the store. I gotta get my grandson his birthday gift. His birthday is Saturday. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna get him. That baby finna be 7 years. Have flew by, y'all. The boy is 7. About to be crazy. Go get some, get my Christmas dinner and get him something for his birthday. Might as well get his Christmas gift while I'm getting his birthday gift. I'm cooking corned beef and cabbage for Christmas, so I get my cabbage and my corned beefs. I'm gonna make some hot water cornbread, and I'm gonna make some. I'm gonna make some cheesecakes, a chocolate mousse cheesecake, and then I'm gonna make a strawberry cheesecake. Yeah. So yeah, I gotta get my strawberries. I already got my crust. I need cream cheese, powdered sugar, heavy whipping cream. Yeah, I'm gonna make my list today. Y'all coming, new year, new beginnings. I'm so excited. I'm nervous and I'm excited at the same time. I'm so nervous and excited. But I know, long as I got my babies, my girls, honey, Shell can do whatever she gotta do, whatever she want. As long as I got my girls with me. So, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be good for them. It's gonna be good for them. It's gonna be great for them.
Never be there.
I am up about to clean this fridge. I'm about to do a quick little video. Clean this nasty fridge out. Get all this old food and stuff out before I go to the grocery store for Christmas. And yeah, that's what I'm about to do today. How you guys doing? I'm going to turn the tea kettle on. Make me a cup of tea. And get started.